sọ.
Baby Mo, what is the wine? My Scorpion, Elebele, my Bugatti, my tea and bread. What are you? Child! Mommy. Hello, fine girl. Yes. You know, say na banjo to pikin, now they call you. You don't know. Actually, I'm coming from USA. USA. You understand? Yes. You know, Donald Trump sent me on a mission to come and investigate Nigeria. You understand? So don't wear this my attire.
I thought this Nigerian police uniform.
No, that is where he got it wrong. I said Donald Trump sent me on a mission. You understand? So I have to dress on Nigerian way. You understand? So actually, I'm a big boy as I see me. You understand? Baby, if you give me your heart, I will take you to Hong Kong. Do you know? If you love me the way I love you, I will take you to Dubai. So baby, I want to spoil you with my money now. You understand? So I will spoil you. How much is your bill? Let me come. So how much can you finish in a year? How much can you finish in a year? Let me give it to you now. I have cash, I have money. Officer, now you again carry give you money. Message when send you this money. They post woman. Now money I carry.
Oh, officer,
give me money. Come on,
officer. No. You're living fake life.
Okay, give me money.
You can't take some money.
No, I'm not living fake life. I'm from USA.
Which USA?
Oh,
I said
maybe understand me.
fake life.
Donald Trump sent me message.
Which Donald Trump?
So person no feel like for a person to believe it.
I don't do.
Person no feel fake life for Nigeria.
Like
The Lord has done it. The Lord has done it.
It is very shameful for you to accept that. This man